juggler and harsh, driven out and turned backwards, to all evil's legion serf, so that no one believes that you lack anything. And of all good qualities you are devoid, if you endure speaking the truth. Furious servant is that you seek for me. May you have such as suits you. Suits you! So little do you succeed in your affairs, that praise would not help you, but insults and folly profit you by harming others. For you are no more a juggler, old and dry, more treacherous than an avarice, full of all evil ways, and without any good quality. Right would not give you no plea that you should have deserved any good deed, for you are a snare to all people whom your company annoys. For you are scornful, greedy and hateful, but since you are old and broken and feeble as a cripple, you want mercy so that one may bend toward you. Gascon, wretched with a foolish mind, since such great poverty follows you, your Lord will not hold you, even if he withdraws from others. The king whom one does not approach if he does not have a well-polished beak, but he will give to you without a fool's mind. For you are of little bargaining worth, and if you go away begging, wretched, sorrowful, tired juggler, 1,000 times through doors you will go, beaten and dragged by the hair. I hold myself certain of him, that he does not have a weak or low heart, for you will get one gift of your worth, without quarrel and without strife. And if any of them stirs up trouble for you, in your Lord's house you have your needs, but you will live little, for in August the vessel awaits you, and there will be no one to weep for you or lament you. Keep company with the masters, Gascon, company with the masters, for you will enjoy them, company with the masters. And if you present bliss servantes to their nephews, you will know well that it is not the word